Hi guys and welcome to Cutting Edge. Today we will cook a nice pasta dish with shrimps, but inspired from Greece.
And we're going to use our basic smoked tomato sauce. Stay tuned. We want to grill our shrimps shell on because that adds a lot of flavor. Let me show you how to devein them without destroying the shell. Use a toothpick and then you go on number 2 here. Create a small hole and then we pull up the vein like this and there you go. And if that happens, you go to the next one and then you take it from there. And deveined. Then we want to season them so we get some flavor on our shrimps. Some sea salt. Don't overdo it. A little bit of pepper. A drizzle of olive oil. And some freshly squeezed lemon juice from our own garden actually. Very, very aromatic. There we go. Shuffle them a bit. And then we're going to leave them for 5 to 10 minutes before we continue. Let's get our sauce going. I have here a large pot over medium heat that I'm going to give a good splash of olive oil. I have here 6 diced shallots that we're going to fry up. When the onion is golden like this, we create a small spot here and we add a diced garlic, a large diced garlic, and let it become fragrant. I will take about 30 seconds. When you smell the garlic, then you mix it in with the onion. And then I'm going to hit this with 100 milliliter of Greek ouzo to deglaze the pan. I'm going to flambe it. To burn off the alcohol and create a deeper flavor. As this is a Greek recipe, we're using ouzo. You could also use white wine to deglaze the pan, but ouzo gives a much deeper flavor because of the anise inside. When the flames die out and we have reduced the ouzo to about half, we're going to add our base smoked tomato sauce. There is a link down below how to make that. It's an excellent base for pasta sauces like this. It has quite a heavy smoke flavor. So we are going to add a liter of passata. That's also why that smoked tomato sauce is excellent, because you get so much yield out of that. We stir that in and let it come to a simmer. And let's give it a taste for salt and pepper. Okay. 2 teaspoons of salt. Give it some pepper also. And then I have here a fistful of parsley. I'm going to add about half of it to the sauce. I'm going to stir that in, and then we're going to let this simmer for another 10 minutes. Time to grill our shrimps. I have my gas grill running with all 5 burners, so I have enough space so they can lie nicely. They only need to grill 2 minutes, maybe 2.5 minutes on each side. Let's give them a check. When they look like this, orange on the first side, we are ready to flip them over. A couple more minutes and we're done. When our shrimp, they look like this, They're ready to come off the grill. You don't want to overcook them because then they become dry and that's not nice. Our pasta is almost cooked. You don't want to cook it all the way. You want to leave it for the last minute to finish in the sauce on the pan. We are using here Italian pasta that we are importing directly from Italy. Although it's a Greek recipe, we love that pasta. Then I'm going to take the pasta straight from the pot into the sauce. And we want to bring that pasta water with us. The starch from the pasta water will make sure that the sauce sticks to the side of the pasta so you get a nice saucy pasta. It's an excellent way to do this. Keep cooking here for a couple of minutes while you stir it slowly. I want to add a little bit more pasta water here. Like that. That's beautiful, and it smells amazing.
Let's give it a try.
This is going to be interesting. It looks good and it smells really nice. See if we can do this.
It's not very easy. How is it?
That is damn good shrimp pasta. You have to make this.
It's amazing. I love
With
it.
the uso, the anise.
The
it's
ouzo
really
is
good.
excellent. Give it a shot, guys.
This is good.
Who's your cook?